it's me, Cheska.
It's me, Lexa.
And today, it's day 2 of doing headstands with my little sister. And let's go.
Atitos. Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Ayo.
Come on.
This
Lexa.
is me, Jessica.
Hey. This is me. Okay.
This is me, Jessica.
This is me, Lexa.
This is me, Jessica.
Come on. Come on.
Ilakas sa lubot. Ikimpot ako.
Stop that. Come on, Lexa.
Dito ako.
Go. Okay, go. Go.
Wait lang. Tara na.
Okay. Oh, wait. Wag ka na.
Hello.
And by the way, guys, we're going to try to do this with supports, and after we're going to do without supports. Come on. Oh my God, guys.
Go. Bitaw.
Sorry about that, guys.
I'm still alive. Ulit.
Hey, you're on.
Ulit.
Okay.
I'm gonna do like
Okay. 3. Hoy, baliktad. Yung hands mo.
Ganto na lang. Bakit bigla mapaganon ako?
Okay. Ibi na dyan, Chuck. Okay. Maging ka strong. Maging strong ka. Maging strong. I-balance mo yung legs mo. I-balance mo. Oh my God! She did it!
Okay, let's do
One more.
one more support.
One more. Without support. All by your own.
Yes,
Fine. But tatanggal ko din yung hands ko.
Hello, girl. What's your name?
My name is Polly. Okay, balance mo.
I'm gonna show my
Straight mo yung hana mo. Straight.
Okay.
No!
That's
One
it.
more try.
One more try.
One more try. Okay.
Ano, pipigibang ko.
Come on. Lift up your legs. Let's have it face straight mo body mo. I-balance. We're going to try to balance you for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seconds! And bye, guys. Bye, guys. She did it without support.
I did it without crack my leg.
And make sure to subscribe if you want another one.
Wag na kasi
Day
video.
3.
Gagawa pa tayo